Hello guys, and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. Let's create a basic calculator with ChatGPT. So type create calculator website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript separate file. And then ChatGPT will do it for us. As you can see it here, sure, I can provide you with basic example. So it will write us now the HTML file, and then the CSS file, and also the JavaScript file to create such a website. So, and here comes the example code for our calculator website with the HTML code. What we have to do next is to go to Visual Studio from Microsoft or another code editor. I would suggest you to use Visual Studio. You can download it here, link is down in the description. And so this is where you get started with Visual Studio. From here on you will create a folder where you then can create a new file which you name index.html. I already have this file, that's why I name it index3.html. So there it pops up. Next file I will create is the script.js file, which is my JavaScript file, and I will also create an style.css file, which is my CSS style file. And from now on I will go to ChatGPT, which wrote us the HTML file here, which I can copy now and paste into the HTML file here. I save this one, go out again, and here is my style CSS file, which wasn't finished. So I will write to ChatGPT, please finish the code of the CSS file. As you can see, it also apologizes to us. So here it now writes us the entire CSS file again, which we have here. So now it's finished, and we can copy this one again, go into Visual Studio Code, go into our style CSS file, paste this one here, save this file, and now we ask ChatGPT, give us the JavaScript file, and here it does it. And with this one we do the same, we copy this one and then paste it into our Visual Studio Code, into our script JS files. So this was it, we saved this one, and now we can open our index3 HTML. For this you have to go into the folder where you put your index3 HTML or index file, and you click on it and you will be redirected to a site. Now we have a nice calculator looking at us, and now we can try it out. So 1 plus 1 doesn't work at the moment. So now we see it doesn't work. So what we do now is we go to ChatGPT back and write ChatGPT our problem. In this case we would write, give me an JavaScript for the calculator that works. And now ChatGPT gives us a working JavaScript and corrects itself. So now I get a better answer from ChatGPT, which gives me out now a new JavaScript with more background informations. So I think then our calculator, which we got here, will work. And as you can see, ChatGPT does this all for me, so you don't need to have any background information about learning code or something like this. You can only copy paste the things, and the only thing you have to do is to speak with ChatGPT and a little bit know the prompts that you should type in. And as you can see now, we can type our figures. 55 minus 5 is 50. So as you can see, here are some little problems back then, and what we can do now is we go again to ChatGPT, say them what's not working, and ChatGPT will fix it for us. So let's do a nav problem. And this is all working, so the C and the clear buttons don't work, but that are problems that you can fix now if you speak to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is your new developer and your new free developer. So this was a very easy and short task for us to do. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you want to see how to use ChatGPT with Excel, or if you want to see how to create your own animated avatar using ChatGPT and Midjourney and the IDs, then be sure to click that little bell under the video and also subscribe to my channel to don't miss the new upcoming videos. Thanks and bye!